Over the next 3 days, you'll start on a transformative journey, not just in understanding, but in actively engaging with the law of attraction through specific words. This isn't just hopeful thinking. It's about making a deliberate effort to harness the power of your words to create changes in your life. Whether you're new to this concept or looking to refine your practice, these next few minutes will equip you with the knowledge and tools to start effectively. The law of attraction is a philosophy suggesting that positive or negative thoughts bring positive or negative experiences into a person's life. Think of it as a magnetic power of the universe that draws similar energies together. It operates on the premise that whatever you focus on grows. If you dwell on the good, you'll invite more goodness into your life. But what exactly does this work? It's all about the frequency of your personal energy or vibration. Your thoughts directly influence your emotion, and your emotion determines your vibrational frequency. The universe responds not to what you want, but to the energy you're putting out there. So if your thoughts and words emit positivity, you'll attract positive outcomes. Conversely, negative words and thoughts can keep you locked in a cycle of unwanted experiences. It's about aligning yourself with the universe by adjusting the frequency of your own energy through the words you choose to express. Words are not merely tools for communication. They are also powerful instruments of influence. They shape your thoughts, color your emotions, and by extension, sculpt your reality. This isn't just poetic expression. It's a psychological reality. The words you speak can lift your spirits, depress your mood, or calm your nerves. They carry an intrinsic power to influence not only the listener, but the speaker as well. In the realm of the law of attraction, your words are like seeds you plant in the garden of your mind. They grow and flourish into the experiences that surround you. If you choose words that resonate with prosperity, love, and optimism, you set the stage for your life to unfold in those directions. On the contrary, if you repeatedly use words that reflect lack, dissatisfaction, or cynicism, you unwittingly cultivate these conditions. But how do you choose the right words? Start by identifying what you truly desire. Is it peace, prosperity, a loving relationship, health? For each desire, there are words that can capture its essence. For peace, words like calm, tranquil, serene, or restful might resonate. For prosperity, consider abundant, wealthy, fruitful, or thriving. Choosing words consciously is about setting an intention for what you want to attract, then integrating these words into your daily vocabulary. The law of attraction is straightforward in its principle. Like attracts like. By selecting and using words that align with the life you wish to lead, you begin to draw that life towards you. It's about making a conscious choice to filter your vocabulary and ensure that every word supports your life's desires. To activate the law of attraction, your initial step is to set clear and focused intentions. Why is intention so crucial? Because it directs your energy toward a specific outcome. Setting intentions is more than just stating what you want. It's about defining your purpose with clarity and commitment. Think of it as drawing a map or where you want your words to take you. The process starts by reflecting on what matters most to you. This reflection should be thoughtful and deliberate. When setting your intentions, be specific. Instead of a broad desire like I want to be happy, identify what happiness means to you. Does it involve a new job, a harmonious family life, or perhaps personal health and well-being? Once you pinpoint your desires, you can formulate them into clear, affirming statements. These statements should be positive and in the present tense, as if they are already happening. This method not only sets the direction for your vibrational energy, but also primes your mind to recognize and seize the opportunities that align with your aspirations. On the first day of activating the law of attraction with your words, begin by selecting words that align with your intentions. You've set clear intentions. Now choose words that match these goals. If your intention is to find a new job, words like capable, skilled, successful, and valued might resonate with you. Repeat these words throughout the day. Write them down, say them aloud, and think about them in quiet moments. This repetition is not a mindless activity. It's about embedding these words deeply into your subconscious. By doing so, you are not only affirming your own abilities and worth, but also sending a strong message to the universe about what you are ready to receive. It's essential to stay focused on these words and allow them to permeate your thoughts and actions. Remember, the law of attraction responds to your frequency, and by consistently using words that reflect your desires, you adjust your vibrational energy to attract those exact opportunities. The first day is crucial as it sets the foundation for the 2 days that follow. It involves immersing yourself in the energy of your chosen words, fully integrating them into your daily life. This practice might feel repetitive, but it's vital for cementing your commitment to your goals and enhancing your vibrational match with what you seek to attract. By the end of day 1, you should feel a deeper connection to your chosen words and a stronger belief in their power to manifest your desires. This belief is what will carry you into the next phase of reinforcement and ultimately manifestation. On the second day, your focus shifts to reinforcing the words you've selected, and this stage is about deepening the impact of these words, ensuring they not only remain in your consciousness, but also begin to influence your external reality. Reinforcement means actively using your chosen words in various aspects of your day. Start by repeating them again in the morning. Write them on sticky notes around your home. Set them as reminders on your phone, or incorporate them into your meditation or journaling routine. The act of reinforcing is not merely about repetition. It's about feeling the weight and power of these words. With each repetition, try to feel the emotions associated with the outcomes you desire. If your words were abundant and prosperous, imagine the sense of security and freedom that comes with financial abundance. The key here is consistency. Maintain a steady focus on these words throughout the day to keep your energy aligned with your intentions. As you go about your day, observe any changes in your thoughts or behaviors. Are you feeling more confident? Do you notice opportunities you might have previously overlooked? This awareness helps you understand how actively engaging with these words shifts your mindset and perception, thereby influencing the energy you project and attract. Day 3 revolves around visualization and belief. By now, you've set your intentions, chosen your words, and reinforced them consistently. The final step is to solidify your belief in the possibility of these words bringing about real change. On this day, spend time visualizing what your life looks like with your desires manifested. Imagine yourself living the reality that you've spoken into existence with your words. During your visualization practice, use your words actively. For instance, if your word is healthy, visualize yourself living an active, energetic life. Feel the vitality in your body, the clarity in your mind, and the overall sense of well-being. It's essential that these visualizations are detailed and immersive, involving all your senses to make the experience as real as possible in your mind's eye. Belief is the cornerstone of manifestation. You must believe that what you're seeking is not only possible, but is on its way to you. This belief isn't just hope, it's a firm conviction supported by the alignment of your thoughts, words, and actions. The strength of your belief can significantly enhance the speed and accuracy with which the law of attraction works. Remember, the universe doesn't respond to wishful thinking. It responds to deliberate creation and unwavering belief. By the end of day 3, you should reach a state where your words feel like an undeniable truth, a reality that is about to manifest into your physical world. Hold on to this feeling and carry it forward, allowing the momentum of the past 3 days to propel you towards your goals. Transitioning from a practice of intentional word selection and reinforcement into a habit that sustains these effects requires practical, everyday strategies. One of the most effective ways to ensure the continuous power of your words is to integrate them into your daily communication. This can mean adjusting how you speak about yourself and your life to others, as well as the inner dialogues you hold. Every time you choose to use positive and aligned words, you reaffirm your intentions to both yourself and the universe. Maintaining a journal can be a valuable tool in this process. Each day, spend a few minutes writing down the words you are focusing on and any experiences or feelings associated with them. This not only helps in keeping track of your progress, but also in visualizing the manifestation of your desires more concretely. Over time, review these entries to see how your words have personally influenced your life path and how close you are to achieving your intentions. Mindfulness plays a crucial role in this ongoing process. Be aware of the moments when negative or contrary thoughts creep in. Recognize them, then consciously replace them with your chosen words. This method not only combats negative thinking, but strengthens your focus and conviction in the power of your words. Remember, the goal is to make these positive words and their associated energies a constant background in your day-to-day life. While the process of activating the law of attraction with your words is powerful, it's not without its challenges. One common issue many face is doubt. Doubt in oneself, in the process, or in the possibility of change. When doubt arises, it's crucial to address it head-on. Return to your journal, revisit the successes, no matter how small, and remind yourself of the power your words have already shown. This reflection can bolster your belief and reinvigorate your commitment to the practice. Another challenge is inconsistency. It can be easy to start this practice with high energy and then let it fade as life gets busy or distractions arise. To combat this, set regular reminders on your phone or computer to meditate on your words, write in your journal, or simply repeat your words silently. Make these practices as routine as brushing your teeth or setting your alarm for the morning. Impatience can undermine the effectiveness of your word-based law of attraction practice. Change often doesn't happen overnight, and visible manifestations might take time to appear. Cultivate patience and maintain a long-term perspective. Trust that the changes you are working towards with your words will materialize as long as you remain committed and aligned with your intentions. Thank you for joining me on this journey to activate the law of attraction using specific words over the last 3 days. Remember, the power of your words extends far beyond the sounds they make. They shape your thoughts, influence your emotions, and ultimately sculpt your reality. As you continue to practice and refine this approach, you'll likely discover deeper layers of potential within yourself and new possibilities for your life. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Please share your experiences and any changes you've noticed in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and share it with someone who might benefit from learning how to activate the law of attraction in their lives. Don't forget to subscribe for more content that can help you transform your thoughts into reality. Together, let's continue to grow, learn, and manifest our best lives. Let's keep the positive energy flowing, and I look forward to seeing all the wonderful things you will attract into your life.